This is a special Loki segment going into the vlog.
Lily, are you doing a shuffle there? Go on, Leo. Go on.
Okay, okay. I just want you to see. He wants his treat. So he's just eating his food and now he wants his treat. So he'll wait at the treat cupboard until he gets his treat. Won't you? Can you use one hand because my other hand's got all dough on it. This one? Okay. Then watch. Just watch. I'm just going to leave you here a minute on the floor. This is Loki's point of view. We need a Loki cam, we need a Loki POV. But just takes him 2 minutes, 2 seconds to eat that schmacker. Watch him come back in. Hello? Is there another one? Okay, which one do you want this time? Brody? Yeah. Now wants to play. Taking it? Okay, bye. Playing with it. You could have played on the lovely rug, but we don't have one anymore, do we, Loki? Watch. Look, we'll put the blanket out. Right there. Because he'll use this as a rug. Because he likes to roll. Because we don't have a rug anymore. Because he peed on it again. He wants to play with his treat, but he can't. There it is. He wants to roll. See? Like so. That's what he does. So he loves a rug, but pees on the rug, so then we don't have a rug, so then he sulks that he doesn't have a rug. So we have to put the big blanket down for him. This has now become his blanket that we can't trust him with. Can we? So, yeah, that is Loki and his little ways. He likes to do certain things. He has a routine, and he's the best dog in the world. He's a little bugger. Oh, he's rolling the other way now. This is a special Loki segment going into the vlog. I hope you appreciate it because not many people get to see Loki like this, having a great time, living his best life. He mainly sleeps a lot. So, here you go, he's here. He wants to play. Okay, I'm gonna go make my bread. So, bread's done. Well, this will be my loaf. I'm just trying not to get my pasta in it. Roll this into shape, put this in my tin to prove a little bit. And then I can get the chicken on, get all the chicken marinated and that ready for tonight's dinner. All the potatoes chopped. And then I may start cooking the chicken because then I can just get home later. I'm gonna get a warm dinner up then because it's a stream night as well. I'm quite limited on time. And I'm really trying to get on a stream before 6. I'm trying to get on for like 5:30. I might cook it this afternoon, so we'll see. There's my little loaf. Stick that in there. Watch how big that goes in a bit. I'm sure you guys have seen me make this before. This is my 1 pan potato, chicken and green beans that I just love making. It's nice and quick. I say quick, obviously you've got to prep it a little bit. But it's just a nice meal. I always feel really good after eating this meal. You know, sometimes you can, which is my chicken one, this one. I've got a chicken one and then I use one, I have one that I always use for chicken, pastry brush. And then one that I use for like butter and stuff, like bread and cake. My grey one's the chicken one. Yeah, I say quick, it's not the quickest. I feel like I've been in this kitchen cooking all morning, to be fair, all afternoon. But it's a nice dish, you know, you eat food and you feel like really good after it. You know, I've just realised I've not had the mics on this whole time. Cue Matty editing this far and already having a go at me about the mics not being on, I'm gonna guess. No, we should put the mics on. Give me a minute. Is this working? This is working a lot better. Oh, he's gonna kill me. You guys near the end of this video are suddenly gonna be able to hear me and be like, that's what she was on about. I'm such an idiot. Okay. So far, I'm just gonna get back to my cooking. Minced garlic. Ugh. Ugh. Why can't I open it? Ugh. Oh my God, why can I not open it? Ugh. I actually can't open it. I wonder if my neighbours are in. What? Why is it sealed? Okay, hold on. I need to. I can't open the minced garlic. Have no fear. Got a backup garlic in case you can't open garlic jars. What is going on? Why can't I open it? Garlic. Well, maybe we could edit that bit out. Pretty strong, you know.
It's heavy.
I know it's heavy.
I'm by out of strength.
Then you negotiate with your body to find more strength, but don't you give up on me, Brock. You keep going, you hear me?
I'm pretty strong, so I don't know why I couldn't open that. I'm going to leave that out. Maybe later on the video, I'll get Matty to open it. I'll loosen that up for you. See if you can open it. I've got some mixed herbs. Again, I'm just trying to use stuff up. Might as well use it all up. Use it up or write it down because I always forget what I need to buy in a shop. Bit of salt. Put some more mixed herbs in just because I like mixed herbs. There is absolutely no more paprika. Oh, that was loud. Tiny little bit. Maybe a little bit more soy sauce. And then some chicken stock, which I'll put in. Now, I'll probably get 2 just because I'm going to do 1 pan of potatoes and the green beans and then 1 pan of chicken and cook them both separately, then I'll put them all together. And I like to have like sauce throughout the cooking. I can like add to it if I need to. So I'm just going to use chicken stock, 2 chicken stocks. I'll just use this. And there is a few of us this evening, so there'll be 5 of us all together as we've got Ava's friend around. So I'm gonna always do chicken thighs just because they just taste, okay, I'm gonna put them actually skin down first and then I'll flip them over. But I've got I've got some chicken drum fillets which I'm gonna use just because there won't be enough chicken. So I'm gonna also throw some chicken fillets in as well, I think, just to, because I'm gonna flip them all over. How many is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the chicken drum fillets in as well, even if it's just like 2, and then I can just bag the rest up and I'll use the chicken tomorrow or something. So I'm just gonna move this. I need to cut all the potatoes in a minute. I wonder whether Matty can edit this into like some sort of cool transition. So I've been thinking about it on whether I could throw this potato in here and then he would transition it into like chopped potatoes. I'm gonna try it. If it doesn't work on this next bit, then just know in between he's cut out 10 minutes of chopping, so I ain't gonna record my chopping, it's just boring. So I'm just gonna throw this in. You ready? We'll see if he can transition it. 3, 2, 1, with the potatoes. I don't know.
I'm so proud of myself.
I won't know until it's edited. Potatoes are done, that took far longer than I'd like to admit, to be honest with you. I feel like I've been in this kitchen for hours on end. I bought this at Christmas, roast potato seasoning, okay? It is honestly the most delicious seasoning ever. It's got garlic, onion and rosemary and that's it. So I reckon I can make this because you can't buy this now. It's like buying it once at Christmas and that's it. So I'm gonna keep this little pot once it's done. I'm gonna try and make my own. No. Because this on potatoes is heavenly. Oh my gosh. It just smells so good. I'm gonna get these in the oven now. So chicken's ready to go in. Potatoes are ready to go in. Set timer for 1, oh no, it won't fit. Oh, it will fit. Set timer for 1 hour.
Good afternoon, Louise.
1 hour?
Timer for how long?
1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Because then I can mix it all round, put some more stock on if I need to, get my green beans in. Bread is looking very good. It has proved quite a lot. This needs to go a bit higher. It needs to sort of be here. I am going to make a coffee, turn on my PC because I need to make a thumbnail for tonight's live. I've got a few things I need to do. in this next hour, make a coffee, and then go and start doing the thumbnail for tonight. Dinner. It looks a bit... It's not burnt, I swear. Me and Louis have eaten a bread roll each already.
So, we're off ice skating. I believe it is working. Yes, yes. You ready?
Pulley finger.
Pulley finger, apparently. So, we got to be Dr. Just. You need a plaster?
Yes, please.
Okay, where's it? Aha, I found it. Found it.
I'll do it myself.
I'll do it.
By the time you've done it, it's too slow.
Okay, you ready? Let's go and get a mug shot of the mugger. No, she's gonna hate me. Come on, boy. You gotta go in. You gotta go in the kitchen. Yeah, because you keep.
Lying on the rug, you eat, not lying on the rug. I didn't do anything.
Come on, in. Loki, come in.
Yeah? Did you watch the vlog?
Hey.
Ready for the ice?
I'm all yes, yes. Is everyone ready? What are you laughing at, Dylan? Stop laughing, Dylan. Dylan, stop. Stop.
What?
Stop.
I'm not laughing.
You are.
Are you
know you're-
excited, Lil? Yeah.
You
Is
should-
it going to be really cold in there? Yeah.
So aggressive. So aggressive. Ugh.
It's not even cold.
At ice skating now. Oh, yes, they've got the seals. Are you going to take a seal, Tyler? Yeah, I reckon he is. Come on, can I put you on it?
Do it to your side before he wins.
Lily, are you doing a shuffle there?
Take your shoes off.
I want to see my Just down to that. Hold it that way.
Me flaps all over.
Oh dear. You won't fall over.
No.
You're going to be falling on here. Do you want to think?
Which one do you need? Don't forget you can tighten it at the back, eh?
Dylan's like, I don't want one.
You're going to have to...
I need to scratch my head really hard.
Go on, Lil. Go on.
I told you we'd be the embarrassing family. Dylan, come on!
She's great. Go on, Web.
I'm waiting for the seal.
Are you? Oh, where's Dylan? Has he gone on it?
He's gone off.
He's gone off.
Yeah. Doesn't want to do it.
Which way, Lil?
All right, you go, Pro.
Right. No, Tyler's still going. Tyler's not giving up. He's still going. You enjoying it?
Yeah,
I'm loving it. Your hands are a bit cold. Oh. Your feet are going out. That's fine. What you got to do when your feet go out, push. So you push down, and that should work. So push down. Yes, Tyler. Yeah.
No kids.
I know.
They're in there.
I know. It's amazing. There we go, guys. Ice skating. The pro. The pro. There we go.
Pro.
The pro.
So many pros.
I know. We're not even near anything of this. I want to see how Tyler's doing. Let's go and see what Ava and Lily are up to.
This is the best song.
Jumping there. He's incredible. I'm doing jumping. You done?
I've got to go to Amy, but he wants food first.
Come on, Tyler, that's a bit much, mate.
Not to you.
It's a you problem. It's not my fault.
Yeah?
It's brother's fault.
No, you made him go on ice.
Oh, did I? Oh,
Which is
I
it?
won't. I just want you to know I hate you.
You won't.
That's going to be a
He
mug.
won't mug you off.
I'll
when
mug you off
eating.
like that.
No, please
Go on,
don't.
Dylan.
He won't.
Go on, Dylan. Are you done eating?
What did he have? A muffin.
Go on, Belle. Go on, Belle. Stuff it in there, lad. And guys, wish Tyler a speedy recovery and also a massive thanks to 3D Prints for organising and letting us go with them on this amazing adventure ice skating. YouTube have recommended this video, which is us trying camping food. So give it a try, guys. See you on the next one.